friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a lot of clearance over at Walgreens, a bunch of different categories and a bunch of different savings up to 75% off, if not some of this stuff up to 90. So if you are near a store and some of this stuff interests you, I would move on it quickly. So specifically, we're looking for items that have these orange tags, but sometimes I've been lucky enough to grab items that I've seen in clearance, like clearanced out at other stores. And then I go to a cashier, very politely ask for a price check, and then I'm surprised that it's also following clearance. If they don't have a lot of people on the floor, stuff doesn't get tagged. It's usually Tuesdays or Saturdays at most stores that items get tagged, but it's always a year. Mileage may vary if it's the same clearance or it's different or it hasn't been put in the system yet. So be on the lookout for some of this stuff. Let's get right into it. So one of the categories that a lot of you are curious about are the EOS, various oils, lotions, and potions, up to 50% off right now. It's not going to go past 50 because this is such a hot item that a lot of us really enjoy. It's probably, if you use that $10 Kenvu, you can get 2 of these, and that's what I was doing. We also have these methods at 50% off. Because it's not EOS, that might stick around a little longer at the store. And then also this other shaving company named Billy for $5.49. That's going to stick around for a little bit. Another JCPenney no-name brand that I've ever heard of is this one. It's called Sika, and it's also 50% off. I believe this is various, like to clean your face, like foaming and cleansers. And a lot of barrettes, hair clips, and even hot tools such as curling irons up to 50% off, if not 75%. Of the Burt's Bees lip and face, like masks and stuff, a lot of it's 25% off. So this stuff is far too expensive still. We like to see it for a lot less. Various little lip balms and stuff at $2.79. Still a bit too rich for my taste, but hey, it is what it is. In the same Chapstick family, these 3-packs are 50% off, and it is the one specifically Chapstick ice cream. We're going to look at it a little closer. So anything that looks a little bit summery, ask for a price check or see if it's tagged. And they are so adorable. But this one with the cookies and cream, chocolate chip, and then some sort of like s'mores ice cream. So anything, they're the classics. Ask for a price check. And these were also 50% off. It's cotton candy, snow cone, and an apple one, I believe. So yeah. These are really cute, especially if you have like a little summer gift. At checkout, we also had the apples for 99 cents. Fun fact, if you're a reseller back in the day, they discontinued this one apple one. And I think at one point, one chapstick was selling for like more than $100 for one. This was a couple years back, but they brought it back and now it's getting cleared out. Who knows? It probably will never sell for $100 again. That's like one of those reselling things. Okay, so now we're walking down that food aisle, specifically coffee, non-perishable goods, spaghetti sauce, pastas, canned fish. Look for that canned chicken. This V8 for $1.29. And if it has a couple years expiry date and it's something that you use in your household or something you want to buy to donate, make it happen. Lots of these crackers, though, had a very quick expiry date. And then there's an Oreo one that actually has a $1 rebate that was attaching, making it $2.79 or $2.29 with the $1 rebate. We have the Cakesters and the golden one. So yeah, definitely like $2.79 versus the 2 for $10. Yeah, if you like the vanilla Oreos, that's definitely the price. And this is the IBOTTA rebate. If you might have it, you could do it up to 5 times. The ideal thing is if they were on clearance for $1 with that, you get them for free. We also have these weird packs of the Fig Newtons for $1.99. It's like that weird skinny one that they have. There's not very many cookies in there, I know from experience, along with the premium crackers. Oh, I used to love this stuff back in the day before I gave it all up a couple years back. But yep, be on the lookout. All the food, look for it. And in the stationery aisle, we have lots of journals, pens, that sort of stuff at 50% off, including this pack of Expo markers, index cards, $1.79. And it is the Walgreens brand, which is Wexford. So, even though it's not back to school time, a lot of this stuff is cheap. using a little bit of Walgreens cash, you can get prepared for back to school, which is going to be in a couple of months. We have these beautiful journals, $1.99. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And then for the younger, or if you like things that are cuter, these for $2.99, still a bit much, even at 75% off. I think at 99 cents it'll fly. And then the paper, it's a weird time for this all to go on clearance, but it's not in the season with back to school. I think they want this all gone so they could put certain items back for back to school. Again, if you're a reseller, this is 50% off for these mailing boxes. Hey, use some Walgreens cash, why not? And a lot of toys as well. The K-pop Demon Hunters, 79 cents. I have no idea. I'm too old for this stuff, but I'm sure the kids love it. We have little watches and those little squishy things. These look 75% off, you know. If you have a kid's birthday in the summer months, or you just like to spoil your kids or grandkids, why not? So definitely walk down the toy aisle and see what they might have, or even the clearance section. So I would get out ASAP, whatever category you really are interested in, food or the toys or the EOS. Sooner than later, this stuff is going to get cleared quickly. And don't be shy to ask for a price check. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.